you.
Very good, Jerry. Continue sampling here.
Like those red guys. Those red guys before. Do we go for a red guy? I think we do. Okay. How do I choose? I choose red guy. Wait. Okay, I might not have bought this guy before. Wow. This red guy's going crazy. This red guy's going crazy. Oh my goodness, they don't want me to take this guy. Hey guys, I hate to break it to you, I'm taking him. I'm gonna throw him in the pan, put a little seasoning on him, and it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be fine.
In 800 feet, make a U-turn.
Okay, this is yeah. Wow. Okay,
Oh,
those
here,
are
we stop
crazy.
and what is autos? This
Are
way?
they still here?
Huh?
Autos, I imagine that's what cars
So
are.
my trailer.
I think it's that there, the arrow is there. What is this? Hoover.
Hoover Dam security.
Hoover Dam. Checkpoint.
I got one. Can I just put him on the line? That didn't work. Okay, guys.
Make a U-turn.
Actually, this is good practice. We're gonna have to do something like this when I get. Oh, I dropped it.
Hi officer, how are you doing?
Good, and you?
I want to see the dam.
Sounds good. Any guns or drones?
No.
Perfect. Left lane, enjoy.
Thank you. Welcome to Hoover Dam. Take a picture, take a video.
I make live
Here,
already.
here. Live.
Yeah.
You can save it.
In 1,000
Yeah, I
feet
can
at the
save
traffic
it.
circle.
Welcome to Hoover Dam.
Head northeast on Hoover Dam Access Road. Continue on Hoover Dam
I
Access
can
Road for
download
1 mile.
also.
No pay. Look at the map.
Hi Habibti. You should look outside.
It's straw.
Huh?
It's a straw.
It's,
Maybe
it's,
some
it's good.
Hoover Dam. Yes.
Ah, there, that one. Oh, you have to.
You see the dam? I didn't see anything.
You have to go
You have
up.
to walk
Maybe
to the
there.
top.
Yeah, you have to go to the top.
Go to the top. So does it say here or straight?
Straight.
Ah, straight.
Oh, that's for couches. That's for like buses and stuff.
For what?
Buses.
Ah, the buses. Yeah, they have buses.
Apparently they are seeing something now.
You can see all
Hoover
down.
Dam still there.
Oh, it's more. And the buses will take them there also.
Ah, maybe.
Yeah, it's a group.
No, we want to see the dam itself. You see, this all electricity is generated by the dam.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, look at this. That's the dam. You see, that's the bridge.
uh-huh. Wow. The problem I have with it.
Look, Hala, this guy is riding a unicycle.
Look at that.
Look at that. Has only one tire.
What?
Here, this one
Unicycle.
unicycle. Ooh.
Ah, that's the dam. There. See the white
800
one.
feet, turn left.
Oh.
What is this? What is that?
Oh.
It's designed like that.
Maybe they are still under construction or something.
No,
just to
not under construction. This is very old.
to hold the.
Mommy, you see the tag?
Yes, I see.
What did it say?
We have to park here or what?
Say hi. Hello.
Oh, we have to go inside?
Oh, he's climbing. Look, he's climbing.
So we park here and
Head
then we walk.
northeast on
He's
Hoover Dam
climbing.
Access Road. Head northwest. Make a U-turn, then turn right onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
What is up with that yellow fish that keeps going back and forth? So, hey, got a fish. Okay, is it gonna bite my lure? Oh, I don't think it's biting.
And then,
Okay,
this is
guys,
okay.
now's the
Both
time.
lanes open.
So, what we do, we first gotta take the sinker off. Okay, take sinker off. Now for our next step, put the lure in the water, like this, without that biting it. On the bottom.
Hello, we are here in the Hoover Dam Visitor Center. Oh my god, look at that.
Not me.
No, of course, Daddy will not want to drop you. What do you think? Hello, Ate Marlene. Good afternoon po. Visitors. Dito mi sa Hoover Dam. Ning agi sa mi diri kay 1 hour away from Las Vegas. Kaya nadaanan namin mag-stop over lang sa mi diri kay napay adlaw pa. Sayang man sa oras kung balikan pa no. Una, nga amo na lang gi kuan. Amo na lang gihapit. Hapit na lang jud namo para di masayang ang oras kay nakalimang oras na sa amo ang road trip. Wow, look at that. Oh, na escalator here oh.
Yeah, the escalator that will take you down.
Oh,
Can I go down?
No, we have to see from the top. Come on.
we have to see from the top is good there than the down.
And then after the top, we go to the bottom.
Hoover Dam tours. Malubat ako nito pa. Stag live ma, madagma jud ta ang kalakihan ni. Pas ka nakaw eh. Pas ira ang lakaw ga. Kaapas mo ko nila. Mo na te tor nga. Pas maglakaw. Gaapas mi sa oras pod kay alas 4:30 na dire. Alas 4:30.
I'm even taller than Mommy, can I hear your echo?
Ah.
Can I hear your echo? Hello. Let me catch it. Wait. Don't worry, I'm just gonna scream. I want to hear my echo. I hear my voice.
I have this one, no?
First time you see her?
Yeah.
Echo!
You also? First time?
First time.
Can I hear your echo?
Yes.
Hello!
You have to be louder.
Okay.
Louder!
Now in which country now?
Echo!
Ethiopia. They're making bigger.
You can hear?
20 times bigger.
That's so beautiful, right?
Yeah, but if you look the other side, the water should be high, I think, no?
Yeah?
Where is
What?
the turbines are down there. That's what they generate.
Yeah. What is that? Somebody...
Because one side the water should be high.
Okay, Mommy, come.
What's the other side?
Let's take a picture.
Echo.
Okay.
That's behind. The water is going the other direction. There is no. If without the dam, the level will be very low. But they put the dam to block it, the water will go up like this. It will collect the water. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, we're going to Hoover Dam. Slowly, slowly, Hala, slowly, slowly. It's too far. Be careful. Be careful, slowly, slowly. Going to Hoover Dam. This is Hoover Dam, look.
I can't see.
That's so deep. We're gonna see it in a better location. Here, I will help you. Where is baby Jane? Look at this.
Did Mom bring any water?
Jenny, Hoover Dam. This is Hoover Dam.
Don't worry, I'm just gonna scream. I want to hear my echo. It's beautiful.
Nice. Don't drop your phone, be careful.
Echo! Oh, is there echo here?
They're bent. Here we're going down. Show tickets. Visitor center entrance. Visitor center and tours. Let's go down. Let's see what's going on. Yalla, go, go up. Yalla, ya hela. Go, go, go. Don't take the stairs. You're gonna be tired.
She wants to be tired. It's okay, she's gonna walk.
Whoever goes up first wins. Whoever goes first wins.
Now she's gonna be exhausted.
She won't get tired.